What's happening, Two Nation Facebook fam? Internet, what's happening? What's happening? It's your boy Big Vic. You know what time it is. So really cheap buys. You can see right here off the top, the tag, $15. Family Dollar. You know what time it is. So let's get right into it. Let's find out if these Billboard headphones are worth $15. Now, on the side note, I did not forget you guys and the Billboard gaming headphones. My kids actually, well, I say my kids, but I have my reservations. Tore up mine, so I got to buy another set. They actually have one that looks similar to the Xbox one, where it's just the microphone in one ear, not a full complete headset, or just say two headphones. You just got one headphone. So you see you have multiple tips. You have smaller ones, you have larger ones. I'll probably pull the larger ones out. Billboard branding. Call back forward. Charging cable. I guarantee it's your micro USB. Let's get that here. Yep. Micro USB. And the over-the-ear style buds. So these adjust. I felt like they should be adjustable. You would think they would have been adjustable. It looks like they are not adjustable at all. So let's power it up. Should be of course the middle button. So you got an LED, flashing red and blue. Go to pairing mode. I don't have the secondary phone on me because I'm using this phone. Here's where you charge it. Which side? Okay, here we go. There we go, okay. Now I'll tell you, I like these more than the slick wireless ones already. Let's turn it off. There we go. Because it's soft plastic. On slick, there's hard plastic. It popped out. I actually never found it again. So much for that. Of course, no instructions. You don't need instructions for something like this. Billboard. So read the back. Quickly syncs to your smartphone or tablet. Wirelessly stream your music via Bluetooth up to 33 feet away. Built-in microphone. Speaking of tablets, this is what I do. Includes 3 sides: air cushionings, passive noise cancellation, enhanced bass. Let's find out. So let me go and pause the video and be right back. Right, people, we're back. See, we have my iPad. It's connected BB/BT/EP. That's what it is. So we're gonna take it over to some music I jam. No, scroll past. I don't listen to health music then with iTunes. Dadgummit. I should know where it's at. Yeah, how about the music notes? What? Okay, it was up in the cloud because I don't use it like that. Above it. Let's go to my channel. Nope, I signed out because my kids use this. We'll go to some of the stuff I was working on. Let's put these in. Well, they're labeled left and right. They don't need to be because they don't fit in one way. Okay, let's see what the noise cancellation is. But off the top, they don't feel comfortable. I wear glasses, so that might be a factor. Take the frames off real quick. Let's grab something I was working on, a little joint I was working on. Let me know it's not going to sync. Turn the volume all the way up. Do it on the headphones. Making adjustments on the fly. Not bad. Just so you know the plan. Yeah, much more comfortable without the glasses on, which I need my glasses. So if you're an active person, these feel like they hold pretty secure in place, but you have to take it to the gym, get a good workout in, get sweating to see, because I know the slick wires do not hold in place at all. They fall out my ear pretty often, but decent. They're not as loud as the slick wires when you haven't pushed them all the way in, seated and cupped off. They're not as loud. So, but then I don't know if it's the difference between the iPad and my phone, because my phone has Dolby on it, the ZTE V8 Pro. But that's it. There's nothing else to it. We'll use these at the gym a couple times, charge them up, use them in the gym, see how they compare to slick. Once I get a good sweat in, and I'll come back to this video and I'll kind of post what I think. So that being said, we'll see if they're worth the $15. One last time. One time for the one time. All right, people. That's all I got for you. Peace and blessings. Ashe.